Hello everybody, my name is Jordan Maldonado and I will talk about Ospf protocol. Ospf protocol routing. It is an interior gateway or IGP. This protocol uses the Dyktras algorithm to calculate the shortest path tree of each pair. Ospf uses cost as a metric. When the cost is lower, the route is better than one with a higher cost. For example, in this picture we have 5 routers and each one has a link. Each link has a cost. For example, the cost from R3 to R4 is 10 and the cost from R4 to R5 is 10 too. Well, if I want to send a message from R2 to R4, we have 3 ways. Look my pointer. This is the first way. This is the second way, and this is the last way. But Ospf always choose the better way with the lower cost. So always will be chose this route because the cost is 10 plus 10 is 20. The other ways has 20 plus 10 is 40 and 20 plus 5 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. Both are higher than the cost of 20. Ospf versus RIP. Ospf is a complex protocol compared to RIP and its problems. As we know, RIP uses large amount of bandwidth and is limited only with 15 hops or jumps. Therefore, it is not viable to use RIP in very large networks. Imagine a network with 50 routers. It is impossible the communication. The advantage of Ospf. We have rapid detection of network chains. Imagine we disable this link. Ospf is recalculate very fast the cost of the total of the network. It only sends the information that corresponds to the change suffered in the routes. Remember, in RIP, always send message with the information from your or the routing table. Every 30 seconds. Ospf, no. Ospf work in a hierarchical operation and the network is very scalability. Okay. Right now, I am in Cisco Packet Tracer and I have this network. For the configuration of this network, I use this table information, okay? And I use these command lines for the configuration of each router, okay? The first line is router Ospf1. The number 1 means is a unique area or one area, okay? Then we have to use the command network to announce the networks. We put the IP address of the network, then we'll put a wildcard. Remember, we use a wildcard, not a subnet mask. And finally, the line area 1, okay? We have to repeat the same command, but with the other networks. So, let me try a ping from PC4 to maybe PC0 192.168.0.100, okay? The ping is totally successful. Now let me try the command tracer. As you can see, we have 3 traces. The first one is from PC4 to Barcelona. The second trace is from Barcelona to Madrid. And finally, from Madrid to PC0 in this case, no? Okay. So, right now I will disable this link between Barcelona and Madrid, okay? And I will try the same ping. The same ping is running. As you can see, take a few seconds. In this time, Ospf is recalculating the better weight with the lower cost to communicate, in this case, PC4 and PC0. If I ping again, the ping is totally successful. So let me try now the ping tracer. As you can see, we have one more trace. In this case, the first trace is from PC4 to Barcelona. The second trace is from Barcelona to Sevilla. The third trace is from Sevilla to Madrid. And finally, Madrid to PC0. Thank you so much for your attention.